This how to 1 minute will show you how to create autofill on Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome browser and click on this three dot. Click on settings. Select autofill. And here you'll find three options: password manager, payment methods, and address and more. So I'm going to select here password manager. And then click on add. And give it the site URL, give your account username and give it the password and click on save. The autofill has been successfully created here, and I'm gonna adding autofill for payment methods. Click on add, give your card number, expiry date, name on card, card nickname, and from here you will be able to add your card autofill, and click on address and more. Click on add. And from here you can add your address to an autofill. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.